Hello and welcome to the LEAP video tutorials. In this tutorial you will learn how to start a simulation in manual mode, and you will also get an overview of the LEAP interface when running your simulation in manual mode. Start your LEAP instructor application from the Laerdal simulation homepage. When LEAP starts, you first have to select your simulator. We will, for this tutorial, select the virtual simulator, and then select Simman Essential Bleeding as our virtual simulator. Next you can select your debriefing system. It can be either SimView or Session Viewer. We will use Session Viewer. You can also change your profile if needed. Finally, you select an operating mode. Here we will use manual mode. In manual mode, the clinical evolution of the patient is completely controlled by the instructor through the LEAP instructor application. The instructor might use a written script to guide the progression or use an on-the-fly approach. The LEAP Simman Essential interface will launch in a paused mode. When you are ready to start the session, you can select the Start Session icon in the lower left corner of the screen, or you can just hit the spacebar. Let's review the main components of the interface. As you can see, the layout of the instructor application is divided into 3 columns. In the rightmost column, you will find the operator's monitor controls. Scroll with your mouse wheel or select with your tablet pen to change any of the numerical values to set a new vital sign value. The next group of tabs shows prediction of the patient condition if you are adding trends to your manual control of the session. You can add trends in the Trends tab. The Cardiac tab lets you change the running or waiting ECG rhythm. Here you can also specify number of shocks to conversion if the patient is in VF. Below you find the session log where you can enter comments manually. You also find some technical information about the system. In the middle column you'll find sound controls, both body sounds and vocal sounds. In the lower part you will find controls for pulses and for bleeding. To the left you have controls for the eyes, airway controls, and for state and CPR. The State tab lets you view when, for example, the SpO2 probe and ECG is attached to the simulator. At the bottom of the left column you will find scenario controls where you can start, pause, fast forward, restart the session, or end the session and go to debrief. This will end the tutorial. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.